Hi. What's up, guys? This is Alexander Bosko, and today I will show you guys how to customize your control center for iOS 11, as I have here. And today I will show you guys on how to do this. And the first thing you have to do is to go to the settings and go to control center and go to customize controls. And if you want to add a control to your control center, all you have to do is to click on add on anything you want. I am going to put on text size for this example and go back to check if it's there, and it's here. Okay, if you want to move it, all you have to do is to move the control with the 3-line handles to help you to move the control anywhere you want. And go back, and it's moved. Okay. If you want to remove it, all you have to do is click on the minus and remove. And that's it, guys, on how to customize your control center for iOS 11 on the iPhone, the iPad, and the iPod Touch 6. And please make sure to remember to subscribe for more Adventure Time plush videos and more gaming videos and more tutorials like this one and more unboxings and reviews. And please comment and rate this video, and please subscribe if you are new, and if this video did help you as well. And this will be Alexander Bosko. Sign off, guys, and peace out. Bye, guys.